Misty, you are so... Look at you. Look at you. So I just gave Tony a crash course on how to use a drone. And I'm hoping she doesn't crash it. Wait. Putting it back in because I dumped it too fast for the camera person. Come on. Work out first thing in the morning. Spider. Misty, you wanna come back? Misty, you are so... Look at you. Look at you. You wanna have lunch with us? Yeah? Damn it. Let me put you further back. I'm sorry. You're in a dangerous spot. Kitty.
Tiffany, can I be your best friend?
Unfortunately, this time of the year is caterpillar season. These things appear out of nowhere, but luckily Tony's mom saved me from this one.
It's caterpillar season.